Alright, let's just dump this, what's in there out. Okay. I really don't want to sit that long with liquid there, but it's gotta get
You see Ennett. You see Ennett first. You see Ennett, Dad. I want to see inside it. You want me to lock that?
Wait a second.
No, Jet, leave it. No!
Don't
You put
do
it there.
anything. Don't do anything yet.
Yeah, Sarah.
This is baking soda. Somebody open that nicely.
This is easier.
Try it and see what it does.
Don't have any more. I have to use all of it and make it a lot. Dad, the food coloring, too.
Yeah, I think I need a little more soda in there too.
Adopt his verbs head. Adopt his
Okay, Dad,
verbs head. I his
You
verbs
see
head.
it. You're doing good.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Try it
time
again.
for the bake.
No, it's
See if that
vinegar.
makes a difference. Alright, let it go.
That's not good.
Look at Jet.
Oh, the thing has moved now. The thing fell through.
Oh. Whoa.
Well, we can fix it them after it dries. We'll glue it back in place. It was still cool though. It's alright.
Whoa.
Yeah, but when it dries, Daddy